This is BB Ventures Arts. I'm here to train you on how to make your stripe fascinator with wire. You need this is printed material, is paper mat. You can use cloth to do it. You can use paper mat. You need your rose flower. You need your bias to wrap the wire. You can use your feather. You need your wool gum and B6000 if you are using cloth, and you need your wire, this wire, and I have one cremolini here that is not up to a yard, that is half yard. You can use 1 yard, and needle and thread. The size of my wire is 44. That is the measurement of my wire rand. Then I sellotape it. I join the two mouth together. I sellotape it. I will take my bias now. This bias, I'm going to use it to wrap it, to cover the nakedness of the wire. And you gum the bias at the edge here together. This is how to wrap your wire for the fascinator. Then the next thing is to take your cloth or your paper mat that you have cut, the size of 4 by 32. Then what you will do is that you take your wool gum, you put your wool gum down, because we are going to fold it in. You are going to do the two sides like that. After you have put your wool gum, you fold the side in. Fold it in like this. Then fold the second side. Fold it in like this. Now I'm going to make 4 of this to do the work. This is the 4. The first thing we are going to do is that take one of the stripe, put it, wrap it with the wire. You can see it here. And make it to be tight. Then overlap it from middle. You can see it is tight. Then that is where you need your needle and thread. You can see it. I fold it. Then you need your needle and thread. You tack that center together. You can gum it if you don't want to tack it, but I tack it in order to make it firm. For you to do is that you can put your gum or your 6,000 be 6,000. You can put your gum. Say what I want to do is I want to join this, joining together the two sides. Should not be moving up and down. I'm going to join it together with my gum. See, I'm joining, then go to the center, join it again. You can use your ugum, you can use your B 6,000. You can see it. This is the first one. This is the second one. Then I'm going to make it to cross the first one. You can see it. Then overlap it again to the center. See it. Join this place so that it will hold it. With your gum, then overlap it again. Let it firm. Make sure you trim the excess of it. And take your needle and thread again. You can use your gum. You can see this is the second one. Then the third one. Then put it down. And see it then. Do the same thing. Overlap it again here. Make sure there's little space in between. Join it at that center. This is the last one. Then use your needle and thread again to tack this center together. You can see it, I've joined all the stripes together. Look at it. Then this is the front, this is the back, front and back. Then we are going to put our design now. I have crinoline. It's not up to a yard, it's just an half yard. I fold it into two. Then fold it again and push it inside my needle and thread, tack it, fold it again, the same way. Tack it. What I'm going to do, I'm going to tack it with my fascinator. After you have attached your rose and your design, you can put your Alice band at the back here and cover it with bias. Thank you. Like, share, and subscribe.